Condor Capital Management raised its stake in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange Wynd, by 0.6% during the second quarter, Holdings Channel reports. The firm owned 26,438 shares of the company's stock, after buying an additional 154 shares during the period. Condor Capital Management's holdings in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation were worth $1,883,000 at the end of the most recent quarter. Other large investors have also modified their holdings of the company. Todd Asset Management Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation by 7.5% in the second quarter. Todd Asset Management Incorporated now owns 169,245 shares of the company's stock valued at $12,055,000, after buying an additional 11,752 shares during the period. Legal & General Group Plc boosted its stake in shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation by 0.3% in the first quarter. Legal & General Group Plc now owns 514,069 shares of the company's stock valued at $39,289,000, after buying an additional 1,386 shares during the period. Nordea Investment Management AB boosted its stake in shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation by 19.4% in the second quarter. Nordea Investment Management AB now owns 1,180,734 shares of the company's stock valued at $84,104,000, after buying an additional 191,885 shares during the period. Todd Asset Management LLC acquired a new stake in shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation during the second quarter valued at approximately $12,266,000. Finally, ClariVest Asset Management LLC boosted its stake in shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation by 15.1% in the second quarter. ClariVest Asset Management LLC now owns 316,901 shares of the company's stock valued at $22,572,000, after buying an additional 41,647 shares during the period. Hedge funds and other institutional investors own 97.76% of the company's stock. Institutional ownership by quarter for Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange Wynd. Shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange Wynd, traded down 0.74% during midday trading on Tuesday, hitting $65.35. The stock had a trading volume of 347,206 shares. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation has a one-year low of $60.59 and a one-year high of $82.99. The firm's 50-day moving average is $67.29 and its 200-day moving average is $69.87. The company has a market capitalization of $7.04 billion, a P/E ratio of 12.53, and a beta of 1.26. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange Wynd, last issued its quarterly earnings results on Wednesday, October 26. The company reported $1.89 earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, beating the consensus estimate of $1.87 by 2 cents. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation had a return on equity of 71.67% and a net margin of 10.52%. The business had revenue of $1.60 billion for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $1.59 billion. During the same quarter in the prior year, the firm posted $1.78 earnings per share. The firm's revenue for the quarter was up 0.6% compared to the same quarter last year. Equities analysts expect that Wyndham Worldwide Corporation will post $5.70 earnings per share for the current fiscal year. A number of equities analysts recently weighed in on the company. Zacks Investment Research cut Wyndham Worldwide Corporation from a hold rating to a sell rating in a research note on Tuesday, September 27. Wolfe Research assumed coverage on Wyndham Worldwide Corporation in a research note on Wednesday, July 6. They issued an outperform rating on the stock. Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated assumed coverage on Wyndham Worldwide Corporation in a research note on Monday, September 26. They issued a neutral rating and a $72 price target on the stock. Nomura reissued a neutral rating and issued a $69 price target, down previously from $75, on shares of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation in a research note on Thursday, October 27. Finally, Deutsche Bank AG dropped their price target on Wyndham Worldwide Corporation from $64 to $62 and set a hold rating on the stock in a research note on Thursday, July 28. One equities research analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 4 have assigned a hold rating and 5 have given a buy rating to the company. The company has a consensus rating of hold and a consensus price target of $78.50. In other news, Director George Herrera sold 463 shares of the company's stock in a transaction on Friday, August 19. The stock was sold at an average price of $71.71 for a total transaction of $33,201.73. The sale was disclosed in a document filed with the SEC, which is accessible through the SEC website. Insiders own 2.03% of the company's stock. About Wyndham Worldwide Corporation. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation is a hospitality company. The company offers a range of hospitality services and products through its global portfolio of brands. The company operates through 3 segments: Hotel Group, Destination Network and Vacation Ownership. The Hotel Group segment has approximately 7,800 hotels and over 678,000 hotel rooms around the world.